Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, and this video is related to the job recruitment notification for Bank of Baroda for engineering professional backgrounds, and the jobs are related to manager jobs, and job experience is also mentioned, and paper pattern is also mentioned. So let me tell you in detail about this job notification. It is for Bank of Baroda, and this is a recruitment drive for management post. So last date to apply for this is 26th of August. So from 6th August, that is today, it is going to start till 26th of August. So you can fill this particular form, and these are the positions: manager digital product, and the age is also mentioned, 24 to 36. Qualification is a mandatory qualification is mentioned. Preferred qualification is also mentioned. Preferred means even if you don't have it, you can apply in this particular thing. Now every job has a job experience, and latest job experience, whatever you are doing at the end, it should be matching with this. So 3 years of experience in as a project manager in project management in digital products, IT products in bank or fintech companies, card network. So if you have worked in this domain for 3 years, you should apply. And these jobs are not difficult to get. Written exam is easy, not a difficult, and then followed by interview is there, so that is not a problem for you. You can get it if you fulfill these requirements. Senior manager, again this is the requirement, and product manager digital lending, so these are the requirements for that. Technical officer civil engineering, 23 to 35, 2 years of job experience in this construction project, and also civil engineers get easily these job experiences and all. So if you are BTech in civil engineering and this is a job experience which I'm sure you will be having, and your age is less than 35, so you can think of technical officer in Bank of Baroda. So technical officer, technical manager is a little more experience is required, right? So similarly, technical senior manager, age keeps on increasing till 40 years of age, 7 years of your experience, you can think of getting this. Technical officer electrical, technical manager electrical, technical senior manager electrical, manager information security, so that is 3 years of job experience is required. So ye sari jobs hai friends, this is the jobs for you, and so this is the manager security. तो ये जॉब्स हैं आपकी सारी बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में. अब मैं आपको नीचे इसके पेज पे ले चलूं जहां पे आपके पास एग्जाम एंड वो सारे के सारा मेंशन है. सो ये सारी आपकी डिजिटल बैंकिंग, ये सारा समरी है उसकी सारी जो हमने डिस्कस किया, ये उसका समरी है सारी की सारी. सो डिजिटल बैंकिंग में ये आपके पास पोजीशंस हैं सारी. दीज आर द पोजीशंस. Okay, now coming to this page number, I want to take you to page number 9, जहां पे सारे का सारा mentioned है selection procedure वगैरह. ये selection procedure is there is a written exam, and पहले ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा, एप्लीकेशन स्क्रूटनी, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, फॉलोड बाय जीडी एंड इंटरव्यू होता है. तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन और इंटरव्यू होता है. तो साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट और पीआई कंडक्ट किया जाता है कुछ जॉब्स के लिए, वो प्रोसेस होता है. दिस इज द पैटर्न: रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड योर ओन नॉलेज. सो 150 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, और मार्क्स आपके ये 225 मार्क्स. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द टाइम ड्यूरेशन, दिस इज हाउ इट इज गिवन. सो ये रिटन एग्जाम का इज द पैटर्न फॉर यू. सो सेक्शन टेस्ट 1, 2, 3, दिस इज क्वालिफाइंग, एंड उसके बाद जो आपका फाइनल रिजल्ट में सेक्शन 1, 2, 3 के मार्क्स काउंट नहीं करेंगे, ये सारे के सारा इसमें दे रखा है. सो दिस इज फ्रेंड्स द जॉब नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. अगर आप इसमें इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो ये नोटिफिकेशन आप इसका डिटेल में जाके, एंड मैंने आपको डेट्स बताई है कब तक अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अप्लाई करो इसमें. एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ यू क्वालिफाई, see the job experience whatever is required, if you are matching that, you should apply in this, because surely there is a good opportunity for all of you. Thank you.